Welcome back everybody. In today's video, we're going over my top 5 picks for the Harbor Freight Super Coupons that's going on until August 30th. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Let's get started with my picks. And for my number 5 pick, we are going for something a little bit different. We're not going with a tool, but what we're going with is the Predator 212cc Ghost kart racing engine. This is normally $349.99. It's on sale for $279.99, $70 off with the coupon. Now, the reason why I picked this is I used to be into go-karts, and a lot of people put these Predator engines into go-karts. And this right here is like the best one, I would think, for the best price to get the most power out of it if you want to go with this. So as always, let's go down. On this one, I want to check the specifications out on it real quick just because I've never put this one on here. And the SKU number is 57531. Of course, it's Predator. It's a recoil start type on that. It is 212cc. And then the stroke length on this one is going to be 2.165 inches or 55 millimeters. Now, let's check out and see what the customer reviews are on this one. And I'm kind of interested in this. We got a 4.7 out of 5. We don't have a fish hook going on here with the stars. And 96% of you would recommend it. That is great. I just want to scroll down real quick. Let's see. Looks good. Haven't used it yet. That ain't much of a good review there. Yes, it's great. Great engine. Great investment for a future engine swap. Quality. Great product. The motor is powerful and easy to install. And that's what I was mainly looking for right there. Was a review like that. Card engine's awesome for the price. Great little motor and a small footprint. Great power out of the box. That's the kind of reviews I like seeing. Let's move on. All right, for my number 4 pick here, we got the Pittsburgh screwdriver set. This is a 22-piece set. This is originally $11.99, and then the sales price is going to be $7.99. 33% off. That is a smoking deal for everything you get. Now, the reason why I picked this one is because it also comes with the stubbies here. I have the Quinn set, 15-piece set, and it comes with a lot of screwdrivers, but it don't come with the stubbies. So that's why one reason why I wanted to pick this one for you guys, because it is the most complete set at the cheapest price with a lifetime replacement on it, as it says down here, lifetime warranty. So once again, I want to go to customer reviews on this one and check out and see what you all think of this. Now they got a 4.5 out of 5. We don't have a fish hook going on quite yet on here. 93% of the people would recommend this. Like I said, I like seeing 90 or higher where I would recommend this. So we're going to scroll down here. We got great product, good set of screwdrivers at a good price. They all come in all shapes and sizes, very handy. That's one reason why I picked them. Good product, better than most. Great screwdriver set, nice product at a good price. Great screwdriver set, great value. The set's great set for me. All right, now what I want to do is I want to come up here and I just want to click on the 1 stars and see what it says. We got poor finish, very poor quality. First time used, the tips of the Phillips twisted right off. Broke the first time. Screwdriver, won't waste the money on these, broke the first time. Should have more sizes. Wow, more sizes for the screwdrivers, really? That's a lot of choices right there. Strips easy, not so great. Lifetime warranty, metal spins, and cheaply made. So there you go. There's what you all think of it. Just wanted to show you guys. Now for my number 3 pick, we're going with the US General 5-outlet magnetic power strip with a metal housing and 2 USB ports. It says purple right here, but it's available in all these colors right down here. This is normally $33.99. And then with the 29% off, it's at $23.99. Now, I will tell you guys, I just got back from Harbor Freight and I bought this. So I will be doing a video on this one pretty soon because I kind of wanted to try this one out and I snaked it up because of this sale. So once again, let's go down here and see what the customer reviews are on this one. Now, this one is a 4.8 out of 5. No fish hook going on here with the stars at 97%. That is a great deal right there. We got love it, great product, powerful product. Love these power strips, solid power strip, magnetic power strip. I bought these magnetic power strips at Harbor Freight specifically to stick into an outdoor refrigerator in my backyard. That's a very cool use for it. Then we got magnetic. Love that it also has a USB ports alongside the plugs, which is one reason why I wanted it. Easy to use outlet, cheap and convenient, matches the toolbox perfectly. And there you go. There's all the good reviews that are on this one. Now for my number 2 pick here, we got a Pittsburgh 2-ton low-profile floor jack with a rapid pump. This one is in slate gray, normally $144.99, on sale for $99.99, $45 off. That is a great deal on a great jack that a lot of people recommend. But once again, I see a lot of videos recommended on it. Let's see what the reviews look like on this one. Actually, this one I want to go to specifications first, just because some people might not know a lot about this. The handle length on this one is 45 inches, and then the minimum lift height here is 3.5 inches. The product length is going to be 25 inches. The product width is going to be 13.5 inches on that. The workload is going to be 4,000 pounds. Max lift on this is going to be 16 7/8 inch. And then, of course, the capacity is 2 ton on that. Just really wanted to go over some of this because people might not know that. And the height of it is 9 inches, and of course it's made of steel. Now let's check out the customer reviews, since you know a little bit more about that now. And we got a 4.7 out of 5. No fish hook going on here with the stars. 96% of you would recommend it. Works well, so far so good. Needing something low profile. 2-ton floor jack works great. Very compact, easy to use. I have it with me at all times. Very nice, work great. Very strong jack, great jack, best ever, great tool. I'm too old and too tired to fool around with bottle jacks. Very nice. There's some of the reviews for you guys on that. All right, and for my number 1 pick for this sale is going to be the Yukon 36-inch by 18-inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet, new color gray. This is going to be normally $329.99. It's going to be on sale for $279.99, $50 off. You get it in gray, red, black, or blue. I can tell you guys, I did take a look at this while I was at Harbor Freight, and I kind of liked it. If I had the money, I might pick it up if I had the extra money. But what I want to do is go down to specifications for you on this one also, just so you guys know the dimensions of it. The caster size are the 5-inch by 2-inch ones. Then it has a rubber work mat, non-slip drawer liners. The product height is going to be 37.5 inches. The width is going to be 18. The size is 36, and the workload is 1,200 pounds on that. It does have ball bearing slides. It's coated in a rust-resistant powder coating. The volume of it is 11,100 cubic inch on that. It has 2 locking swivels and 2 fixed on it. It's made of steel, and of course it's a 36-inch on that, and it has 5 drawers. Now let's see what you all think of this one. And this one has a 4.7 out of 5. Just a slight little fish hook, not much going on there. 95% of the people would recommend this. We got great value, great for general service techs just starting. A very great toolbox at a very great price. Good product, perfect for a garage organization. Yukon 5-drawer box, okay. We got a pretty nice toolbox, better than you might think. A great toolbox for my bike garage. Good option for workshop, medium duty. Since we did have a little bit more of number 1s on this, which there's only 4, I want to see the 1-star reviews on this real quick. Not happy, open the box to find dents in the drawer. Almost broke and key trying to unlock it. Man, that does kind of suck for that one. Then we got very poor service for the first day I tried to purchase. This product is good. The service was terrible. Okay, then we got packing issues. Bought it because it was a smaller toolbox that I could fit in my car, packaging in such a way that I could not. Well, you should have brought something bigger than a car to pick up a toolbox, if you ask me. And then you get what you pay for, the good size, finish, and the drawers. All right, and then let's see here. I had to remove the drawers to find what was holding them from completely closing. Found the catch mechanism that releases the soft close lock was broken. That one don't sound too good, but I'm sure Harbor Freight would take care of you on that. And there you go. There is my number 1 pick right there. The Yukon 36-inch by 18-inch 5-drawer tool cart. there you have it. There was my top 5 picks for the Harbor Freight Super Coupons that's going on till August 30th. Now, I know you guys like watching the videos on these. I just put my video out on these yesterday, had over 2,000 views, so I know you guys know what's going on with the sale. I want to know what your guys' top 5 picks are down there. What do you like about the sale that's going on this month? Is there something you don't like about it? Leave a comment down below. I love talking to you guys. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It really helps to grow the channel, and I can't grow this channel without you guys. Also, we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.